show you how to. I'm gonna give you a quick gameplay of here it is, Sonic FGX. Check it out. FGX. FGX, blah blah blah. Hurry up! Like now. I should be hurrying up right now. Alright, you guys can see. I hope. Alright. Move up a little bit. This is perfect. Now, let's see something right quick. Good, you guys can see. Turn that down. Then turn it up a little bit. Skip that. Skip all of it. Good data. No, right there. There. I think I would like to upload a character. Change name. Sonic. You'll see him somewhere. Let's check files and names again. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna do that. You know why? Because I like it. Alright. I checked that. I'm gonna be at deep speed. Woo! Oh, bull crap. This is bull. Seriously. Wow. Whoa, I missed it. Oh man. Boing. Yeah. That was a quick gameplay. I'm gonna stop that.